Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the system meets basic prerequisites and then start the repair steps. Check Windows 10 or 11 build and install pending updates. Drivers often break hello. Open Device Manager to verify camera or fingerprint drivers and restart the biometric service so hardware can be detected. Once done, sign in as an administrator and remove any outdated PIN under sign-in options. This clears cached credentials and prepares a fresh enrollment for Windows Hello. Next, focus on the core fixes, drivers and the PIN system. Uninstall the biometric or camera driver, reboot, then let Windows reinstall it or install the vendor driver. This resolves corrupted driver states. After the device is recognized, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Sign-in options, and set a new PIN. This reinitializes Hello credentials. If hardware still isn't detected, run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter, and make sure group policy or security software isn't blocking credential. And to finish, re-enroll your face or fingerprint and immediately test by locking and unlocking the PC so you confirm success. Make sure Windows Hello for business settings or group policy aren't preventing enrollment. Change them back if needed and restart. If the problem persists, create a new local administrator account and try enrolling there to rule out corrupted user profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: if enrollment works on a new account, migrate files and reset the original profile rather than chasing hidden profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.